The very simplicity and nakedness of man's life in the primitive ages imply this advantage. They left him still but a sojourner in nature. When he was refreshed with food and sleep, he contemplated his journey again. He dwelt, as it were, in a tent in this world, and was either threading the valleys, or crossing the plains, or climbing the mountaintops.
Good morning. I'm up, making tea. Slept a lot, did some reading last night, and it's just a beautiful morning. I have a new routine. It's saying out loud 3 things that I'm grateful for every morning. I'm grateful for waking up and being able to come to a place like this. I'm grateful for these hot springs. So nice. And I'm grateful that I have the awareness to come to these places. And I know that they exist and I want to chase them. This water is warm.
Close your eyes, imagine the sun skies, a chill on your skin. Take a deep breath, exhale into a world simple and calm. A dream where you spend your precious time.
Got some bacon and onions going. Got some pasta. And got some zucchini. Some frozen mushrooms. Everything's frozen. My zucchini's frozen. It's so cold. My pasta's boiling over. You know. But yeah, I mean, this is what I'm doing. Cooking lunch, enjoying the view. This is an excellent spot because I have very good cell reception here. Also, another thing that's important is your routine. And this is the hardest part for me. Your routine is important because it just takes a little bit longer to do everything out here. You know, whether it be brush your teeth, go to the bathroom, cook food, you know, even just getting dressed or getting in bed. Everything just kind of takes a lot longer. So I find that I always have to get up a lot earlier, kind of get my day started earlier. You learn a little bit more every day that you're out here. So, you know, the longer you do it, the easier it becomes, the more second nature it becomes. I have an online job that I teach, mostly elementary school, middle school, high school, even some college level, science, math, English. So this is kind of when Pangea is just starting to break up. You can see that some of the continents are still together. So remember, the first living things are like microscopic. They're like bacteria type things. A lot of diversity in life in the Cambrian. We call it the Cambrian explosion. This is what Earth looks like. It's almost unrecognizable.
As I sit and watch the snow fall from above, I get stuck in my head. I reflect on my life. I think about how I fit into
always hard leaving a place like this, a place that you've really enjoyed, you've grown, you've learned things. I always have a difficult time leaving, but it's time to go. It's been cold. It's time for a new spot.